Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add blog to your Wix website. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Wix dashboard. You have to access your Wix dashboard. So now let's go to Wix dashboard. Then you have to go tap onto this one, like any want to go Wix dashboard. Now as you can see right now I am in my Wix dashboard. Okay, so from here you can see this option apps. Simply tap onto apps and wait until the page loads completely. So here we go, the page is loaded completely. Now on the search apps option, search for Wix blogs. Here you can see this Wix blog. Simply tap onto it and then wait until it loads again. Here you can see this Wix blogs. Download this one, tap onto it and wait until it is loaded. Now tap onto add to site and then confirm it. There we go. Wait until it loads completely. As you can see, my site is being ready. Here you can see it is saying that preparing your site. So there we go. As you can see, this is a blog site. Now you have to edit it according to your need so that you can make it a perfect blogging site. Wait until it loads completely though. So there we go. Now you have to customize it according to your need. As you can see, this is like absolutely like a blog post. Now let's say you want to edit this text from here. Just choose this and then you can edit those texts. You can change these images here, like you can edit it, that you can use this site to edit. You can change the background, you can change the text from here, you can change all of this text from here. As you can see, you can change text and then you have to scroll down and then you can add images from here. As example, you can check out these images, you can edit them as you can change this text and all other things. Just check them out, customize them according to your need, and that's it. Now you have to publish it. So that's very easy, that how you can create a blog post on Wix. You just have to customize it lastly and then you can tap onto done and you can complete set up your site. So there we go. This is pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.